Guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we have a lot of decorating, a lot of stuff going on at the moment. We put a new TV up, a 55 inches TV. We are going later on also decorate a Christmas tree a bit late than most people, but it's just what it is. We had a lot of things that we had to sort it out before any decoration, any celebrations. And yeah, we're here now, and myself and my neighbor, we are putting the TV up. I hope you stick around, you like, smash the like button, very important. Also subscribe to the channel. We are very close to 1,000 subscribers. Just need few views to do this for us. And if you enjoy fashion, lifestyle, interior, I'm your girl. Thank you so much to all my new subscribers, and also the fragrance people. I haven't forgotten about you guys. Plenty coming your way. I've got a lot of Chanel stuff I would like to share with you and talk about it. So yes guys, thank you so much. So that's what we're working with at the moment. Alright guys, trying to wall mountain. Look how small that screen looks. It's probably a 45, I don't know, my old TV, but that's that. Upgrading guys, upgrading. Yeah, I think I quite like this size. Let's see how it looks at the end. Summer loves, we have got this such a large wall. This is where the TV gonna go. It will probably take the majority of the size of the wall, which is great. I don't mind. Might put some decorations on the side, but right now it'll be all about Christmas, so I'll be decorating around with some Christmas items, and yeah, so I hope everything turns out the way I'm planning, and that's the idea right now. Don't just run over me. Think of what you're doing. Carry on the middle, Freya. Don't ignore none of the branches.
Dear to my heart. Painting that my daughter made, and it's me and her, and of course the black star. That's David. So she painted this in 2016, which was the first year without David. Perfect gift for Mother's Day.
So guys, I'm here trying to set out my kitchen, amongst other things, just cleaning the kitchen, basically. Not many dishes today, which is fantastic. But yeah, I'm here listening to Christmas songs with my daughter singing along, and I hope we don't get copyrighted, right? Yeah, so that's that. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and share, and come back for more, and go ahead and watch my other videos as well. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you to all my subscribers on the road, 4,000 subscribers. We are literally just at the edge. Need few of you to do that for us. Thank you so much in advance. Merry Christmas to all. Guys, I'm just decorating a wreath for the main entrance. I'm gonna be adding some decorations there, like a bow or some sort. I'll try, see what I like, and we see the final results towards the end. Like I said, smash that like button. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Take this one for me. Okay. We're going to have a breakfast. We put all the Christmas tree up now, and yeah, so I've got burnt toast for myself, and for Freya I've got chicken, mayo, and I've got some cheese in orange here, and we have got the baked beans that we typically eat in England with sausages there. Yeah, so I'm gonna make a squash for my daughter. Yes, guys, I let it get done today, and yeah, a bit overwhelmed, but we're gonna get all sorted. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, guys.